They have a one challenge with this one is getting a good hook set without them swallowing it, because you gotta keep the tension off the tension on the line to feel the take. But if they're really hungry, they will. Oftentimes they'll just swallow it before you even know that they've got it. So you gotta be super Johnny on the spot with the hook set. And even then, I felt 2 bumps from him swimming away with the bait. Put a much longer leader on here. Don't know that it's going to give me much of any advantage. There we go. Fish. Please be a good hook set. It looks like it is. Yeah. Hook is out. Slow retrieve. I'm making 1 rotation about every 3 seconds. There we go. I'm just feeling for that tap, tap, tap. All right, this is working. Good hook set. Little guy, chunky though. They seem to be taking it pretty close, 20 feet or so out from the bank. All right, how'd you steal the chartreuse when it was second? I'm still casting pretty far out there though. So it has, mainly so it has time to sink. I would like to let it just fall to the bottom naturally and then start ringing it in, but pretty sure a fish would take it somewhere along that line from surface to bottom. And if they take it and have any time whatsoever with it, they're going to swallow it. And I'm trying to avoid that at all costs. I was getting that in the first few fish when I was fishing this. I was letting it rest on the bottom. But by the time you feel the bite, it's too late. They swallowed it. What was that? There we go. And even that's not a guarantee. Case in point, dummy here. So starving. Got it out though, and then dropped him. But he's off. And two pretty good hits there, but couldn't set it. There we go. Ooh, come here. Get out of the grass. Little dude. Little dude. Tied for the littlest fish of the day.